Drupal site owners often want the ability to manually control which results are going to appear at the top of different searches within their website. It's a pretty common request, and fortunately, the search overrides module provides exactly this capability. So, as an example, we have our website here that has a variety of content all related to zebras. And if we do a search for zebra, we see a variety of different results here. But maybe looking at these, maybe we want this National Geographic Kids result to be at the top, and maybe we want zebra mussels to be excluded from results for this particular search. Let's see exactly what the process looks like to achieve that end. So if we go into one of the results and then go into the sidebar here, we can see there's a section for search overrides. And now we can add in here zebra and say for searches against zebra, we want to promote this particular piece of content. And now if we go back to our search and go search zebra, now we can see National Geographic Kids is moved to the top, and the process is really the same. We want to do something similar for zebra mussels, so we can go through here, say edit, do exclusion, zebra. In this case, we want to say exclude, refreshes to show that it's there. And now if we go back and refresh our page here, you can see that zebra mussels has dropped out of the list of results. Very simple. We can also do things like maybe we want National Geographic Kids to be first, but then have the San Diego Z result second. So let's go into here. And now if we edit this, if we go into our search overrides, we'll promote this against zebra as well. Promote that. And once that's saved, we can remove that, but we also have the ability to edit or reorder. So if we select that, now we can see we have the ability to reorder these. So maybe we want to have San Diego Zoo at the top and National Geographic Kids second. So we can save that. And now if we refresh our results, you can see that list there. Worth noting as well that essentially what the module is doing is actually creating an entity to manage all of these, a content entity. So if we actually go into our search overrides, we can see that it creates a content entity for each search that's going to be modified. And we can go in here and also edit exactly how the results will be modified directly through here. It's really the same information as we saw within that node edit interface, but just giving you sort of a different way to modify that. Also, if we have a look at the settings for the module, we have the ability to do things like specify what should be used to sort of preview the results, either modified or unmodified. That's also something you can do directly from the node edit interface. You could also do things like if you've got things in your search index that are not nodes, you can actually use all content from the search index and not just nodes. When you're selecting content to sort of promote against specific searches, so it has that ability as well. And then you can also say to only match entire search strings. So with this off in the sort of default state, it would use that zebra set of modifications against all other searches like zebra mussels or anything else that had sort of zebra within the search query. Whereas you can turn that on to say, maybe we want to do separate sets of modifications for, zebra and zebra mussels and some of those other ones. So you have the ability to sort of control how specific it's going to be in terms of that matching strategy. So that's a quick overview of the search overrides module and some of the capabilities that it delivers in allowing site owners and administrators to be able to have that manual control over site search results.